Focus. Hi guys, I hope you all are safe and secure. It's not a room tour sort of thing. I just popped in here and I thought I am just cleaning up and redecorating my room sort of. So I thought I should vlog this a little teeny tiny bits and upload it on YouTube. So yeah, I was just redecorating my bookshelf. I have kept all the old books that were my school time ka and my brother's memories, everything over there. And you can see the shine on my face. It's because I have applied the serum, the Snowy Glow serum. So I really love it. Now I'm gonna show you the candles and all that stuff that I'm gonna put in the trunk that I showed in my Instagram stories. And if you haven't followed me on Instagram, if you are not following me on Instagram, just go ahead, do follow. I'll be sharing the account link over here. Okay, so these are all the candles that I'm gonna store in this trunk. This is my trunk. This is the antique piece. I really love it. This is 70 years old. Can you imagine? I mean, the essence of this is so good, so amazing. And this was inside the trunk. I have just kept it outside for some time to just store the candles inside it. So yeah, you can see I actually thought of polishing this trunk, but now I've decided no, because जो इसका वो एक essence है ना, and the fragrance of that old thing, you know, that old fragrance, वो चला जाएगा. So I don't want to just polish this. I'll keep it as Magu. Hi, say hi. Oh. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna keep some of these fragrances that I bought from Amazon. Look at this. If you're following me on Instagram, whoopsie, my camera is going to... Okay, if you're following me on Instagram, you know that I recently bought a diffuser. I've shown it on my Instagram stories. So if you're not following me, go follow. And there are few more. So I'm gonna store all these in the trunk. I'm putting all my candles over here. If you can see, I'm just fantasizing this trunk a lot. So I'm gonna put fragrances over here. I don't know what it is. This is what makes it beautiful, the damaged parts. This is the thing that I got. So this is the stand and this is the laltane sort of thingy. It comes separately and you have to just attach this thing to the stand, and then you have to fill this thing with water and then burn these candles, these ones, the small ones, and put it over here. And inside the water you have to put few drops of these perfumes and you're good to go. I found my old calculator when I was in 5th standard. It's on the top of the trunk. I feel if I'll keep it like this, it will be much easier for me to take out the candles and burn whenever I want them to. But I don't know what to do with this. Should I keep it aside and decorate it, or should I keep it back inside the trunk? Let me know in the comment section. But look at this. This is so beautiful. Okay, so before setting up all these books on my bookshelf, I just wanted to show you my Amazon haul. Okay, I recently bought few books from Amazon. I really was wishing to read some horror books. So I bought few books, and some books are I bought just because I loved the cover. And I don't know, let me know in the comment section below how many of you buy books because of their covers. I really get fascinated with the covers and I buy books. I have a very bad habit of buying new books. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, I bought these antique looking papers so that I can write my thoughts, or if I can just send someone letters. Can you see? someone letters. I can put these papers in these envelopes and I can just send letters to the people that I love. Okay, next up, the books. So I bought this book by Shirley Jackson, The Haunting of the Hill House. I know there's a movie of this on Netflix, but I love reading books a lot, so I bought this, Haunting of the Hill. Next up, this was the book that I bought because I loved the cover, and I really am gonna read this, The Eighth Life, this book. And this is such a huge book. I think I'll 2 to 3 months to complete this book. So I bought this book. This is World Greatest Short Stories. This book, I felt that it's so antique and beautiful looking. You can see. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. The pages. Have you seen this kind of excitement on my face ever? Like, nothing makes me so excited than books. Look at this, look at the pages, look at the pages. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh! Okay guys, I hope I'm visible. Hi, hello. So I'm gonna put all these books over here in this bookshelf. Just give a second and look at this book. This is beautiful. Okay. So this is the candle that I've been burning lately a lot, and this is almost finished. Guys, I have a weird fantasy of collecting books, even though I don't read all of them because I don't get time to read all of them, but I try to read as much as possible. The fiction books, I really am into history books and something that is very old. The stories, the thriller stories, something related to past. I have a very crazy habit of collecting books. I want to just read one of my writings over here. This is my antique sort of notebook on which I write my thoughts. Like I was writing something on tea in front of me. You know that thoughts they just pop inside you at that time and you just write in a best possible way. But I'm gonna read one that I think will be easy for you to understand because some of you are not interested in such sort of things. So here we go. I have witnessed a lot in me, the emotions that I really want to ignore, that doesn't represent me in any way, are coming out. Leaking these emotions, transpiring them, it makes me unascended, just like something that is not me, but it's leaking out of me. Hi! Look into her eyes. This is the diffuser that I bought. Okay, so back then I was invited on Jammu Hut for this exhibition, and this little art castle gave me some of the goodies, so I really wanted to show them right now. Okay, so this is a cute little box in which they gave me a few of the goodies from their exhibition. I'm gonna open it right now. And there's a thank you note for me, two things. So first is this resin art palette. Gave me this keychain. This is S. Eating this. I don't like it, but mom wants me to eat it, so. Okay, now I'm just gonna do some skincare. I use this brightening cream by Snowy Glow. guys, so this was just a random vlog, me cleaning my room and just it was not redecorating, but it was like normal. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be shooting for Clock Couture hijab today. So if I'll do the BTS, I will be sharing that vlog as well. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you like it. Bye.